HILDACRAFTY. Today I'm going to show you how to make patchwork from waste fabric pieces that are lying around in the house. So I have cut them into pieces. Some are square, rectangle. The combination can be as per your choice. So I had these fabrics, so I'm using them. So I'll take glue, I'll put it on a bottle. So glue is 1:1, one portion of glue to one portion of water. So I'll just apply this on the bottle and I'll just paste the piece and I'll put glue on top. Then we just need to overlap, make an interesting pattern. The pieces can be of any size, it can be big, small, as per your choice. Just overlap it. Like this. And at the top portion, you can just have little thinner pieces so that is easy to stick. Like this. So do this all over the bottle, and I took a piece of cloth and I just measured the base like this with the pencil. I just drew an outline and then I cut it and then I stick it at the bottom. I'll tell you the reason why. Like this. So I've already done one. So this is how it's going to look, and I've put a fabric at the back, at the bottom also, and this is how it's going to look. And I've made some just to give little interest. Once it was absolutely dry, I used the sketch pen permanent marker to make some stitch marks all over on few pieces. If you want it all over, you can do so. I just wanted here and a little bit here, so I like to leave it like this. And at the top portion, I used twine round. You can use any color of your choice. You can use a jute twine as well. So I used the same technique for this cup, which had a crack. So I put the fabric here. So this was the cup. I left it a little bit to show you all. So this is how it's going to look. So this can be, so in case you have any cup which has a crack, don't throw it. So you can use it as a pen stand like this. And I used the same thing. I used this plastic pot, and I used these plain colored pieces. I had these few fabric which is lying with me, so I made square pieces like this. I cut them into square pieces and then I pasted them. I did not overlap, I just placed them near each other, and then again I used the sketch pen to give some stitch marks so that it looks a little interesting. And so this is how I am just using it as a pot again. And I had this tin with me, so I had a jean pant with me, and which I was not using, so I just cut few long strips You can again make it square, rectangle, whichever shape you want. So I used these strips and then I pasted it on the tin. So one I used the right side and the other one the wrong side. So this is how I got it. And then I used this white acrylic and I just used a toothpick and I just dipped it inside and I just made these stitch marks. You can use a fine tip brush if that is convenient to you. So this is how I did it. Horizontal lines and vertical lines you can do as per your choice. It is absolutely dry. Then you can use this Mod Podge gloss Fevicryl to secure the fabric. If I want to make an arrangement like this, if I want to keep my bottle sleeping like this, that's why I use the fabric at the bottom. So I can use this like this and like this, and I can make an arrangement. So I don't want the bottom to be left plain, so I use the fabric. So this is how you can do it. So this is what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed my video. Do tune in again. I will come back with another interesting video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all.